Crafting a patent portfolio that actually matters means moving beyond filing mere paperwork to building a strategic business asset. Let's dive right into how to create an intellectual property strategy that truly provides competitive advantage. Most patent portfolios fail because they are unfocused, consisting of patents that don't align with core business value or market needs. They become costly burdens, not assets. The core purpose of your intellectual property should be to drive tangible business results, whether that's protecting market share, enabling licensing, or attracting investment. The focus must shift entirely from quantity to quality. A smaller portfolio of well-crafted, strategically relevant patents is infinitely more valuable than a sprawling collection of weak ones. You must identify patentable inventions that are deeply tied to your core business and future growth plans. Ask yourself, is this essential to our unique competitive offering? Filing, quote, junk patents based on minor, easily circumvented ideas drains resources and budget without offering any real protection. Be ruthless in prioritizing only high-impact filings. Every patent application should be mapped directly to your current and future market position, considering competitors and geographic expansion. The most important patents are those that protect the features customers actually value, and those technologies that create a sustainable moat around your business. Decide whether your primary strategy is defensive, protecting against infringement suits, or offensive, enabling cross-licensing or litigation against competitors. To build a strong patent moat, you need depth, covering variations of your core technology, and breadth, covering different applications or markets. Utilize continuation and divisional applications strategically to keep claims pending and adapt protection as your technology and market evolves over time. For global relevance, use the PCT Patent Cooperation Treaty strategy to efficiently pursue international protection, reserving your rights globally before committing to national filings. A truly valuable portfolio requires active management and maintenance. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. Regular portfolio review and pruning are essential to eliminate patents that no longer provide value, ensuring resources are focused on the core assets. Implement cost-effective renewal fee management. Only maintain patents where the value of protection outweighs the maintenance costs. By focusing on business alignment and quality, you move from having mere patents to possessing an actionable IP strategy. Remember these key steps. Prioritize quality over quantity. Rigorously map patents to market needs and continuously prune non-performing assets. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping updated on intellectual property news and trends. A proactive approach is crucial for a powerful portfolio.